Okay, we're going to take a look at this 2019 Harley Davidson Sportster Superlow. We're going to grab a camera and have a good close look around the bike for you. Okay, let's go and get a close look at this Harley Davidson. It is HPI clear. It's only one owner from new. It is data tagged. It does come with a spare key in the fob. So we'll start at the front. We'll get a good look all around the bike for you. It's in a nice gloss black. You can see it's keyless ignition, so you just keep the fob in proximity and you just hit the start button so you can keep that in your jacket. Good looking at the motor. It's got an Optimate lead on there as well. Keep the battery optimised. It's got a saddle bag on the side there as well. Let's get a look over the top of the seat and top of the tank. See, it's got the Harley Davidson leather protector there on the tank. Look down at that back brake. We'll move round to the back of the bike, get a look at it from the back, and we'll go around to the right hand side now. Got the little pair of seat on it there. And it's also got the Cobra straight through exhaust on it. Fire this up in this video so you can listen to it running and hear those exhausts. So we'll finish up on this right hand side at the front. So what we'll do now, we're going to take a look up at the dash and the controls and we'll get the exact mileage off it. Okay, let's get a look at the controls. So you've got your front brake, you've got your start on there, kill switch, and then you've got your starter on there, and you've got your indicator for the right hand side. Then over on the other side, you've got your clutch. This is your button for the dash. Scrolls through the display on it. And then you've got your lights and your indicator for that side. So what we'll do, we'll switch this on. As I said before, it is keyless ignition on this, so in proximity, so you turn that on. Got the ABS on there as well. And you look at the mileage, it's done 6,537 miles. Okay, let's start this up, listen to it run. And there you go. If you'd like any more photos or videos, anything you want to see in a close-up, we can do that for you and send it over to you on WhatsApp. If you want to give Dawn or Dave a call on 0161 713 3219, they'll be happy to help you.
Finance is available on this bike. We can also offer contactless free delivery anywhere in the mainland UK. There's also extended parts and labour warranty available, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can visit us online at www.SoManyBikes.com, or you can call us by phone on 0161 713 3219, or you could call into our showroom in Greater Manchester by appointment only during these COVID restrictions.